But behind closed doors, I'm a fool for your love.
So hi guys, it's me again. Today's video is about summary review question for chapter 1 to chapter 11. So the now question for chapter 1 is internet working devices, example, routers, firewalls or switches. I think this is a router, because the firewalls is an example of security devices and the switches is for network access devices. Then so number 2, it includes the desktop computers and printers. So what do you think is the best answer in this question? For me, this is a letter. It includes the desktop, letter C, the end devices, because the network media is for wireless media and the intermediary is wireless router. So the desktop computers and printers is includes the end devices. Next, chapter 2, number 1, a collection of network operating systems used on Cisco devices. So I think network, Cisco iOS, hardware, this is for Cisco iOS, because network is for the internet and the hardware is a physical part of a computer, underlying electronics. So the Cisco iOS is the operating system used on Cisco devices. Number 2, communicates between the hardware and software of a computer, shell or kernel. I think the answer this number 2 is so I think kernel is the best answer, because the shell is user interface that allow request specific task. So the shell is the communicates between the hardware and software of a computer, the kernel rather. Number 1 for chapter 3, a standard organization that has 38 societies, 130 journals, and 136 countries. The IEE, BISOC, 3 is IAB. So what do you think is the answer for this number 3? The best answer is letter I, IEE, because the ISOC is the Internet Society, the INB is the Internet Architecture Board. Chapter 3, number 2, what is under TCP and IP protocols with a network? A. Network, B. Application, C. TC, and UDP. the answer? The answer is answer the C, the TCP or UDP, because both A and B are under. So next,
After that, continue building the greatest hotels Miami has ever seen. If you work hard for me, I will be loyal to you. Mr. Ryan, for example, started working for me when he was still in business school. Now he's general manager.
so
Young man,
after that, let's proceed to
sorry. Tomorrow's all messed up. I accept your apology, but you know what?
let's proceed to
No bother staying. Our profession
chapter
is not an option. I put you over here. We need security.
chapter 4, number 1. It's network cabling standard similar to EIA or TIA 568. Letter A, ANSA, letter B, iOS, letter C, HUT /T. So what do you think? The answer
Okay, get to work. The whole thing goes against every instinct I have.
answer is for this question.
Dropping out of college.
I only went to college because you wanted me to.
This letter
They're one of the best contemporary dance companies in the world, Dad.
letter B, the iOS, because the ANSI is the co-developed EIA/TIA, and the letter C, HUT/T is the UDSL. So we all know that ISO is the standard similar to EIA/TIA 568. So number 2, protects the signal from interference. Letter A, color-coded plastic insulation. B, twisted pair. C, outer jacket. The answer is
I heard you.
Let's figure this. Either you're a professional dancer by the end of the summer, you go home to keep the work for me.
the answer is
See eye to eye and everything. You remember? Emily and Dad versus the world.
letter B, a twisted pair, because letter A, color-coded plastic insulation electrically isolates wire from each other and identifies each pair, and the letter C, outer jacket, protects the copper wire. So let's proceed to the twisted pair is the one who protects the signal from interference. So let's proceed to chapter 5. Number 1, handles communication between upper and lower layers. A, LLC, B, MAC, and C, Ethernet. The best answer is
Sorry,
What are you doing?
I was being off for work. Heard the music.
letter A, because the IMC is the constitutes the lower sublayer of data link layer, and letter C, Ethernet, is mostly widely used LAN technology. So it's for the LLC is the handles communication between upper and lower layers.
It was beautiful. We danced.
Thank you. Okay.
What are you talking about?
So
You're incredibly handsome.
let's proceed to number 2. Each Ethernet frame contains a trailer which with the cyclic redundancy checks CRC of the frame contents, A, error detection, B, addressing, and C, frame delimiting. answer is
Can I make a suggestion?
Sure.
Incorporate some of the music in the film. That girl was not born.
letter A. The letter B is for Ethernet header added in the frame, and the letter C, frame delimiting is identifies a group. So that's for the error detection is Ethernet frame contains a trail with a cyclic redundancy check or CRC of the frame contents. Chapter 6 operates independently of the medium carrying the data, a connectionless. Letter connectionless, B best port, C
Thank you.
media independent.
Man,
So
then I know the truth. Oh, and
the answer is letter C, the media independent, because the letter A, connectionless, is no connection established before sending data packets, and the letter B, the best effort, is no overhead used to guarantee to deliver. So, number Number 2, it stores an iOS and other system files, A and B RAM, BROM, or RAM, or C flash. This is the answer is flash, because the NB RAM is start up configuration file and the ROM is a boot up instructions. So the flash is the one we store on iOS and other system files. Chapter 7, it provides just the basic function for delivery, no reliability. The A is UDP and the B is the TCP. So the best answer is letter B, the letter A, UDP, because the TCP provides reliable delivery, ensuring that all of the data arrives at the destination. So the TCP is the one who provides the basic function for delivery, no reliability. So number 2, it regulates the amount of data transmitted. A, stateful protocol, B, flow control, and the C, reliable delivery. Oh, this is
yeah, okay. All right. Because I think I got this next thing figured out.
it regulates the amount of data transmitted. The answer is letter B, flow control. The letter A is the stable protocol tracks the session, and the reliable delivery letter C is retransmit loss or comfort. Let's proceed to chapter 8. What binary number has the answer of 1? Letter A, 0 and 1. Letter B, 0 and 0. And letter C is 1 and 1. So this is in chapter 8. As you can see, chapter is the simple topic. At
So, do your best to keep a low profile.
Low profile. Got it.
simple and interesting chapter. So the answer is
Either way, the model's going to put its own spin on the fine art.
the answer is letter C, 1 and 1 because 0 and 1 is 0 and 0 and 0 is 0. In the given, pag may nakita kayong isa ng 1, like letter A, the process of sending a packet from one host to all hosts in the network, A. Unicast and B is broadcast.
Okay, thank you for coming. I can only imagine how difficult this is, but I don't know how this will be. I am not.
The answer is broadcast because the unicast is the process of sending a packet from one host to an individual host. So, the broadcast is the process of sending a packet from one host to all hosts in the network.
Here this summer, each then served will perform a routine of their own selection. We will then select one male and one female to formally join our company. And the new apprentices
Let's
are
proceed to
Vera Williams, George Torres, Melba Watson,
Chapter 9. It is the process of segmenting a network into multiple small network spaces. Letter A, a communication between subnet. B, subnetting. C, formula that determine number of Swiss-able hosts. So, the answer is
Your technique is good. Good, actually. Which means absolutely nothing. Baby girl, you lack originality and I suggest you find some. You've got to, okay?
letter B, the subnetting. A is communication between subnets. Router is necessary for devices on different network and subnets to communicate. C, formula to determine number of usable hosts. N is the number of remaining host bit is used to the number of hosts. Next, for the subnetting is the process of segmenting a network into multiple small network spaces.
But the mystery.
Chapter 10, number 1, function creates and maintains dialogues between source and destination applications. Letter A, presentation layer. Letter B, session layer.
still not a day.
Letter B, session layer because C is the presentation layer, coding and conversion of application layer data. So that's for session layer is the function creates and maintain dialogues between source and destination applications. Chapter 10, number 2, terminal emulation, protocol used to provide remote access to server network devices. A, Telnet, B, BOOTP, and C, HTTP. Letter A, Telnet, because letter B, precursor to the DHCP protocol, a network protocol used to obtain IP address information during boot up. HTTP is just a transfer file that make up pages of the World Wide Web. So the Telnet is the terminal emulation protocol. Application network aware software format are used to communicate over the network. Number 2, it is implemented in organizations that use traditional telephones, IP telephony, B, infrastructure, CBO, IP.